Hey guys, I hope you're having an awesome day today. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of March. This adorable little bag right here costs $12 a month. You get 5 deluxe size samples and you're promised a value of at least $50 or more. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what I got in my bag this month, and then I'll let you guys know if I think it's worth it or not. But let's go ahead into the video. Okay guys, so this is the bag for this month for March. I believe that the theme this month is Ipsy Together. Let me look inside before I show you the bag to confirm. We have this little card right here. It says Stronger Together. I know that March 8th is International Women's Day. So I think it's a really nice theme for the month that it is. And I really do like the theme, but this is a little card right here. And if you take into consideration the theme, the bag I think matches perfectly with that theme. You have different women here holding hands, and this is what it looks like. It's red inside, and this little thing, I don't know, this little blue thing on the zipper, but that's the little bag. I love the Ipsy Glam bags. They're my favorite part of the whole bag, honestly. But I'm going to show you guys the options that I had. With Ipsy Glam bag, you're allowed to pick one of your 5 items. They give you choices and you pick that item. So I'm going to show you guys right now what my options were, and then I'll show you what I chose. Okay guys, so for my Ipsy Glam bag, I had so many different choices. I had the option of the Benefit Cosmetics, their Rio Magnet Mascara is a brand new mascara. Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek in Work. Sophia and Mabel, I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer. Sweet Chef Oat Milk Latte Cleanser. White Leave-In Conditioner. $19.99 Precision Color Pencil in Lustro. I also had the option of the Ciate London Fruit Burst Lip Oil in Mango and Lime. Lottie London Ombre Blush in Serene. Coco Kind Resurfacing Sleep Mask. And the Shayna B Miami Contour Brush. So in the end, I ended up going with the Milk Makeup like Lip and Cheek little duo right here. Let me open it up. It looks like this. I really like Milk's packaging, so you kind of take this off and let's check it out. This is what it looks like. It looks sort of like a, how do I describe that? Almost like a brown mauve shade. Let me kind of swatch it in my hand. It's very, very light. Oh, it does build up. That's really nice. So that's what it looks like. It actually really builds up. At first when I swiped it on my hand, it was very sheer, but it really builds up really nicely. So I really do like the color. Like once it's on my hand here, I like it. I can totally see myself using this on my lips. I actually haven't gotten into like cream blushes at all. I know that they're very popular at the moment, but I've never tried them out before. So it smells good. It's a very fruity scent, but not like overpowering or anything. So I like that. And I really, like I said earlier, I haven't tried any cream blushes at all. And I don't know if I will. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. I'm not sure. But I'm glad that this is not just a cream blush. I can use it on my lips. And I do really enjoy Milk's products, so I'm glad that I chose this. I honestly was not too impressed with all the choices. I felt like it could have been a little bit more exciting. On their Instagram, Ipsy always is always showing pictures of like lipsticks and I don't know, very colorful things. I wanted to get some of those options, but I'm glad that I did end up getting this. And I'm just reading the card here, and according to Ipsy, the retail value of the full-size version of this is $28. But again, I really do enjoy Milk makeup, so I'm glad that I got that. And now let's go ahead into the items that Ipsy chose for me. The first item that Ipsy chose for me is the Shayna B Miami highlighter brush right here. So it's like a fan brush. I actually own a few of Shayna B Miami's brushes. The one that they offered in my choices that I showed earlier, the contour brush, I have that and I really do love it. I actually don't use these kinds of brushes for highlighter anymore. I might try it again. I used to use them and I just been using something different, but I'll try it out. I do like getting brushes. I said last month that I didn't need any more brushes, so to not send me more. But I mean, this is kind of a different kind of brush. I actually don't mind. I just hope I don't get any more brushes anytime soon. But that was the item that they chose for me, and according to them, this retails for $14. The next item in my bag is the Sophia and Mabel Wet Glow in Champagne Toast. And it says, give your skin a next level glow with this shimmery champagne colored highlighter. It has a one-of-a-kind and so satisfying jelly texture that applies wet and then dries down to a long wearing matte-like finish. and they give you a little tip. It says, the versatile formula can be worn alone, over makeup, or mixed into foundation. Interesting. And it says the full size. Oh, I guess we did get a full size here, and it retails for $18. That's nice to know that this is actually a full size product. But let's take a look at this. I like the packaging. Pretty cute and simple. This is in the shade Champagne Toast, and that's what it looks like right there. I usually like more like pearl white highlighters, but this is pretty. Oh my god, it's so creamy. What? I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Let me swatch it on my hand next to the blush. This is extremely pigmented and creamy. Oh my gosh, what? Okay, so I swatched it on my hand. Can you guys see? Let me swatch it on another hand because it's just so. This is my finger. You can see it on my finger here. It's so pretty. Honestly, I was very impressed with that. Like, I was not expecting to like it as much as I do. It feels very creamy. And I guess I did just read that it feels almost wet. And I did feel that, like that almost wet feel of a jelly texture. I just read that and didn't register in my mind that it explained it that way. For some reason, I still expected it to be like powdery dry. But that feels extremely, extremely soft and just buttery. And even if I don't use it as a highlighter, which I think I will, I can totally use this on my eyes. It's so pretty. So this is a full-size product like I just mentioned earlier, and it retails for $18, and I'm really glad that I got it because I like the texture so far, and I think I'm going to test this out very soon. Okay guys, so the next item in my bag is the Element Beauty Eyeshadow Duo in Ariel and Luna. And this is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version of this retails for $42. That's what the packaging looks like, really nice and sleek and just black with gold lettering. And here are the two shadows in here. They're very shimmery. Let me find a different spot to swatch them. Okay guys, so these are the two shadows right here. They're very, they're a little bit more pigmented than I expected them to be. They're very shimmery. I don't mind it at all. Usually the bags that I've gotten, the Glam bags, this is my second one actually since I resubscribed to them, has only been like, I don't know, skincare. So I'm glad that it is a makeup product, and I don't expect to get full size like palettes. So I'm glad that I got something like this. So far I've gotten all makeup, which I really do love and I'm very happy with. But that's how that's looking. That's really, really pretty. Everything I'm swatching today is swatching so nicely. And again, this is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version of this retails for $42. And let's get to the next product. Alright guys, so the last product in my bag is the Elizabeth Mo Vitamin C Face Scrub. It says, give your skin the glow up it deserves after a long winter with this warming face scrub. It gently buffs away dead skin cells, build up and excess oil to smooth your skin and minimize pores while treating it to a dose of brightening vitamin C. And it says, twice a week, gently massage a small amount onto clean skin, then rinse thoroughly. And this is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version of this retails for $25. So why not? I mean, it's a sample, so I won't be able to use this a lot, but I do not mind getting this because the rest of my items were makeup. I made sure that my profile is like all makeup related, that I really rank makeup items higher than I do skincare. Sometimes Ipsy doesn't really listen to their profiles, so I did email them, I don't know if it was like 2 or 3 months ago, and they told me that I should be, when I'm reviewing things, I usually don't like to be like mean. I don't know, I like to not review anything negatively, and then I thought that they were only basing my bags off my profile, but apparently your reviews also count towards what they end up giving you in your future bags. So I ended up reviewing makeup items higher than I did skincare, and I think it worked because guys, I got from my Glam bag, I got 3 makeup products, a tool, and a skincare item, and I am actually really happy with my bag. I'm very surprised that I like it as much as I do. And I last month wanted to cancel my Glam bag because I felt like I didn't need it. But the items that I got today, I'm very impressed with. And yeah, I think that's going to be the end of today's video. What did you guys get in your Glam bags? If you're subscribed to it, let me know down in the comments. I am also subscribed to the Glam Bag Plus and all of BoxyCharm's boxes. I have the base, the premium, and the Boxy Luxe coming soon. They're all shipped out. So if you like watching beauty subscription unboxings, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel because all of those videos will be coming very soon as they arrive to my house. But that's going to be the end of today's video. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys. Mwah.